Operation Kukankura is a comprehensive security initiative designed to tackle all forms of crime and criminalities in Kano State, with active participation of members of the public. This operation has yielded remarkable results in disrupting criminal networks and prevailing potential threats. By engaging with the community, leveraging intelligence and use of technology, the command has been able to stay ahead of criminal elements and respond effectively to emerging security challenges. The command has achieved significant breakthrough within 1 month, including the arrest of suspects for various felonious offenses and the recovery of dangerous weapons and large quantities of illicit drugs. Notably, we recently recovered Tramadol and Pregabalin tablet worth 82,725,000 in Rimin Auzunawa quarters in Kano, which will be handed over to NDLEA for further investigation and prosecution. In total, 105 suspects were arrested in 30 major cases, including armed robbery, illicit drugs, dealings, thefts of motor vehicles and motorcycles, and thuggery. Exhibits recovered include firearms, motor vehicle, motorcycle, and other dangerous weapons, illicit drugs, and stolen properties.